Oh, Philip, is that a grape? What do you think about those grapes? Nasty? Are they nasty? Do you like grapes? Do you like grapes? Oh. Oh. What about hot dogs? Do you like your hot dog? What'd you get? Did you get a hot dog? A grape? A hot dog? What do you think? Ooh, that's great. You gonna put that in? Yeah? Are you gonna put that in? Put the grape in. Put the grape in. There you go. What you got? You got grape? Huh. A grape, grape, grape. Can you say hi? Philip, can you say hi? Oh, you got a hot dog. Mmm. Philip, can you say hi? Hands. That was hot dog. Have some of the grape. Mmm, grapes. Here, have some of the grapes. Have some of that. Put it in. Come on, you're smart. Put a grape in. Put a grape in. You want me to help you? Here. Ready? Here comes the grape. Oh, shower grape.